This is the Vine Boom sound effect. It's literally gotta be one of the most popular sound effects of all time, being used in countless videos across YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and Vine, where it obviously originated. The point is, I pressed it 10,000 times. All you need to know about the specifics is that there's this website that has a lot of sound effects, and I created a Google extension to track the amount of times you click any of them, so I can make, random videos like these. Anyway, begin the time lapse.